Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is facing corruption investigation after Governor Thawarchand Gehlot approved a probe into the Muda Case involving the allotment of valuable land to Siddaramaiah's wife. Siddaramaiah has rejected calls for his resignation, accusing the BJP and the JD of trying to destabilize his government. Siddaramaiah has four options. Out of these options, he can challenge the sanction. Today, High Court has dismissed Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's petition challenging Governor Thawarchand Gehlot's approval for an investigation against Siddaramaiah in the Muda case. He can now potentially appeal this decision in the Supreme Court if necessary. The second option is a strong party support. With the solid backing from the Congress High Command and State Cabinet, Siddaramaiah is unlikely to resign, viewing the investigation as politically motivated. With the support from the Congress leaders, he can use his third option, which is to refuse resignation. He may argue that other leaders like former CM Yediyurappa didn't resign under similar circumstances. And the last option he can use is legal defense. He can fight the petitions against him seeking dismissal based on lack of evidence or procedural issues. Case centers around allegations that Siddaramaiah's wife benefited from a land swap involving the Mysuru Urban Development Authority, where less valuable rural land was exchanged for prime urban plots in 2021.